Let's get straight to it. How do you add images to your Hostinger website? First, log into your Hostinger account and access the website builder. From the editor, drag an image or media element onto your page. To upload, simply click the Upload button and select your desired image from your computer or integrated cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox. Hostinger supports common formats like JPEG, PNG, GIF, and WebP, but keep in mind there's a 10 megabytes file size limit. Once uploaded, you might need to resize it. You can do this directly by dragging the corners of the image on the canvas or by using the Properties panel for more precise control. Aim for optimized sizes. Under 100 kilobit is ideal for fast loading, which Google prioritizes. Hostinger's AI assistant can even suggest optimal sizes based on the device viewing the page. Alt text or alternative text is a description of your image that serves two critical purposes: accessibility and SEO. To add alt text, select your image and look for the alt text field in the Properties panel. Instead of something generic like img1.jg, write a concise phrase that includes relevant keywords. For example, a smiling family at a beach picnic is far better than something generic like img01.jpg. Keep it under 125 characters and descriptive. Good alt text makes your site accessible to visually impaired users by allowing screen readers to describe the image. It also helps search engines like Google understand what the image is about, potentially boosting your website's ranking in image search results. Alt text promotes inclusivity and helps organizations adhere to accessibility standards. Hostinger even prompts you to add alt text during the upload process, which is a great reminder to follow this essential best practice. Don't skip this step. It really does make a difference.